Morning, I'm James Scarlett, and I just wanted to show you the 98C that we have for sale on the website. This machine came to us from a customer. We've completely gone through the whole thing. Some of the things that have been replaced on this machine are the ball screw was rebuilt. There's some bearing chucks that didn't sound quite right on the tables, so the technicians have gone through and replaced those. This machine has the push-pull feature for the vacuum zones. It also has the NEMI grid. So as you can see here, you can place the NEMI pods on top of this for vacuum hold down. It has a water-cooled spindle. We've replaced the tool tray on this and have recalibrated the tools in all the pickup locations. We have also updated the controller to Windows 7. It is still running OSAI, but we have changed it to Windows 7 operating system. The machine has been completely gone through. The year on it, as you can see from the serial plate, is an 03. And as we come to the back and look in the cabinets, you've got all your standard OSAI 10-5-10 components. Guys have also gone through the drives and tested them. Looks like there's a brand new drive for one of the axes, and everything's been brought up to the update for the Windows conversion. We also added a air conditioning unit to this machine to help keep the cabinet cool, and has pop-up pins on the side. Didn't even notice that until now. It also has an aggregate slider station, and all in all, it's in good shape and ready for a new home. Thanks.